Welcome to RB Vlogs for everything. Please watch and subscribe, like and share to improve our creativity. Let's start.
How Sai Baba joined Hindu and Muslim community together to celebrate with love? 1. Mr. Gopal Rao Gand was a circle inspector at Kopargaon. He was a great devotee of Baba. He had 3 wives, but had no issue. With Sai Baba's blessings, a son was born to him. In the joy that he felt regarding the event, an idea of celebrating a fair or Uru occurred to him in the year 1897, and he placed it for consideration before other Shirdi devotees, viz. Tatya Patil, Dada Kote Patil, and Madhavrao Deshpande, Shama. They all approved of the idea, and got Sai Baba's permission and blessings. Then an application for getting the collector's sanction for celebrating the Uru was made, but as the village Kulkarni reported against holding the fair, the sanction was refused. But as Sai Baba had blessed it, they tried again, and ultimately succeeded in getting the collector's sanction. The day for the Uru was fixed on the Rama Navami day, after having consultation with Sai Baba. It seems, he had some end in view, in this, viz. The unification of the 2 fairs of festivals, the Uru and the Rama Navami, and the unification of the 2 communities, the Hindus and the Mohammedans. As future events showed, this end or object was achieved. Though the permission was obtained, but other difficulties cropped up. Shirdi was a village, and there was scarcity of water. There were 2 wells in the village, the one in use, dried up soon, and the water from the second was brackish. This brackish water was turned into sweet one by Sai Baba, by throwing flowers into it. The water of this well was insufficient, so Tatya Patil had to arrange to get water from a well by fixing moats, leather sacks, thereon, at a considerable distance. Then temporary shops had to be constructed, and wrestling bouts arranged. Gopal Rao Gand had a friend, by name Damu Anna Kasar, of Ahmednagar. He also was similarly unhappy in the matter of progeny, though he married 2 wives. He too was blessed by Sai Baba with sons. And Mr. Gand prevailed upon his friend to prepare and supply one simple flag for the procession of the fair. He also succeeded in inducing Mr. Nana Sahib Nimunkar to supply another embroidered flag. Both these flags were taken in procession through the village, and finally fixed at the 2 ends or corners of the masjid, which is called by Sai Baba as Dwarkamai. This is being done even now.
Please subscribe, like and share. RB Vlogs for everything. Follow on blog, Facebook and Instagram for help us to improve our creativity.